such as data cleaning, feature engineering, outlier removal, and so on. So I have these two projects here. While you are practicing these projects, you need to build ATS resume. ATS stands for Application Tracking System. When you apply as a data scientist job, the companies will have this ATS system which will automatically filter the resume. You need to make sure your resume is ATS friendly. For this, we have a YouTube video where we have talked about various guidelines such as how to use STAR method to mention your projects and how to mention different project experience, skills, and so on. So you can watch this video. We have also given a resume checklist where you can go point by point and you can make improvements in your resume. So when you have checked all these boxes, your resume will be in a very good shape. Folks, in today's time, resumes are losing their importance, and the live resume, which is also known as project portfolio website, is taking their place. Here I am showing you a project portfolio of Raj Gopal, where he has mentioned about his background, his skills, and the projects that he has worked on. Now, when you click on this project, let's say I'm looking at his profile as an interviewer, I can get an understanding on what was the project. He has given, see this video clip, so that I can see that in action, and I have access to his GitHub as well, so I can go and check his code. So building project portfolio website is a must in modern times, for which you can use free tools such as github.io, or you can use tools such as the portfolio builder that we have on codebasics.io. It is available as of this recording to only data analyst bootcamp students, but in the future we are going to make a free version as well, and it will be included in data science bootcamp as well. Then comes Linktree. On Linktree you can link all the different profiles. For example, Naveen has this link, and if someone wants to know about him, he will just send this particular link, and they will get access to his LinkedIn, Instagram, Power BI portfolio, and so on. And here is your assignment. You need to use Fast API instead of Flask in that first project. And we have given some customization ideas for regression and classification projects. Week number 19 to 21 will go in learning deep learning. ChatGPT and majority of the modern AI applications are built using deep learning. Therefore, as a data scientist, it is important that you have fundamentals clear when it comes to deep learning. In fundamentals, you need to know what is neural network, multi-layer perceptron, and some spatial neural network architecture such as CNN and sequence model, RNN, LSTM, etc. Now, if you have knowledge on RNN and LSTM, you might argue, why not transformer? Well, obviously, applications like ChatGPT are built on transformer architecture, but knowing RNN and LSTM will clear your fundamentals, because eventually transformer architecture was derived based on RNN and LSTM, and in the interviews they will ask questions on these topics. We have a complete deep learning playlist. You don't need to learn all the topics, such as I have some videos on distributed computing, GPU optimization, BERT, so on. You just need to learn first like 15 or 20 videos which covers the concepts which we have mentioned in this PDF file. Now, the playlist which I showed you is using TensorFlow as a library. There is another framework called PyTorch, and for PyTorch we have this particular playlist which is built by my friend Aritra Sen, who also helped me in building this particular roadmap. So you can go through this as well. After learning deep learning, you can build end-to-end project. So here, this is an end-to-end deep learning project to identify the disease in potato plant, where we have built a mobile application which takes a picture of a plant, and it will use deep learning convolutional neural network to predict if this particular plant has a disease or not. And you will see we have covered model deployment, mobile app, data collection, model building, everything. So you can work on this project. And here are the assignments for these 3 weeks. Now, in last 3 weeks, so we talked about 6-month roadmap, right? So 6 months is equal to 24 weeks. So in the last 3 months of this 6-month roadmap, you need to learn either NLP or computer vision. I mean, if you have a lot of enthusiasm, you can learn both, but it's like you have become a doctor so far. Before week 22, you have become a doctor, like a general doctor. Now you want to become a specialized doctor, either lung doctor or heart doctor. You don't want to become both. Similarly, you can specialize in NLP or computer vision. NLP field is booming, especially after ChatGPT came. And in NLP, you need to start with regular expression, that is